Hey guys, what is going on? So today I'm going to show you how to clean and re-oil your Wltoys motor. So this method will work for most brushed motors. So you'll need the screwdriver that came with your car or another small screwdriver to undo the body. You'll also need a larger screwdriver that won't strip the engine mounts. You'll also need some rags and or paper towel, some lubricating oil, and you can either use a specialty RC motor cleaner or you can use another type of cleaner that evaporates really well. For example, car brake cleaner would also work. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly we'll remove the top and side screws as pictured here. Okay, so next let's remove the 4 outer screws and the 4 more screws that are in a T-shape, which is what holds the motor mount in place. Okay, next let's wipe off the dirt with either a rag or paper towel. Okay, next we're going to clean the engine out with our motor cleaner. Now I would recommend using disposable gloves as the chemicals can be quite harsh on your skin, so just to protect them from that. Now you're going to want to repeat the process of spraying the motor down with the cleaner until the next time you tip it out it runs clearer, and that's when you'll have gotten most of the dirt out of the engine. Okay, next we're going to use the paper towel to clean up the excess cleaning fluid, and then we're going to leave the motor to sit. Ideally you want to leave it overnight so that it can completely evaporate. Next we're going to use the oil to lubricate the top and bottom bearings on the motor, and then we'll wipe off the excess. Next we're going to put everything back together. Now I periodically check that the motor is working, so I don't get the whole way through putting everything back together and then find that I need to either change the wires or change something because it's not working correctly. So once you got it plugged in, you can turn the acceleration down really low and just press half trigger to make sure it's turning. Then if that's working okay, you can screw the motor mount back in and check that the car is going forwards and backwards. And once that's working as well, you can just put everything back together. And make sure you unplug the battery when you're putting the car back together after you finish testing. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps you. If you really like the video, consider liking and subscribing, or also leave a comment with either what you'd like to see next, or give me some feedback on the video. That would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.